Hi, everyone. I'm Chief Meteorologist Frank Billingsley. A couple of things going on here on radar. You can see these showers out in the Gulf. They're associated with that stalled front that continues south of Louisiana. And then the upper level jet stream continues to give us a focus for showers that have been moving out of Mexico and generally staying off to the northwest of Houston. That's where we're finding them right now. There is a special weather statement down on that white box for some stronger thunderstorms. This is until 2:45 p.m. because of some 30-mile-an-hour winds. It's not a warning, but it is some strong storms with some lightning down to the south. And then an aerial flood advisory. It's a bit out of our viewing area, but you can see just outside of Austin, that's through 4 o'clock. So some heavy rain has continued as we move into this afternoon. I'm watching a shower down here. There's no real lightning with this coming out of East Bernard, but there are still showers around for sure. So here's the overall picture for our area. These I'm watching up toward College Station. You'll notice there's a little movement off toward the east here, and that's what we're going to have to watch as we go into this evening, because any more heavy rain could cause problems up to the northwest, where you've already had 5, 6, almost 7 inches of rain over Lake Conroe up toward the Huntsville area. That's really been hit yesterday and then overnight. For the rest of us, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain has been about it. Some of you a lot less than that. So this is what we have right now. You can see these showers continue. Here's the high resolution storm tracker as we see it now. As we go into this afternoon, a little burst of convection looks to be here along the coast. In between that, we're fairly quiet, but a line of showers wants to try to move in our direction across the Houston area between 7 and midnight. So still some moderate showers moving through. And then overnight, we continue to see that trend. So it's going to be a wet one this evening, and then overnight for the morning commute, that 6 a.m., certainly umbrellas and extra time. The good news is we don't have any flood watches that are in effect, at least area wide. We'll just look for some localized heavy rain now and again and call it as we see it. But we're not looking for a general pattern of heavy rain. And by the time we get to really Friday evening, we're all in the clear, and certainly by Saturday morning. As far as rainfall amounts, some of the heaviest because of that burst of convection right here along the coast. 2.9, so 3 to about 4 inches of rain possible between now and Friday morning into Friday afternoon. And then you'll see the rest of it's generally 1 to 2, 2.5, maybe 3 inches. So 1 to 3 inches of rain should not cause a problem for most of us, and that is certainly good news. 90% chance of that rain for tonight, and that continues into Friday morning. 20% Saturday morning. It looks like Easter will be nice and sunny and 78. We're quiet and warmer as we move into next week with a weekend chance of rain the following weekend. Have a safe one. We'll continue to keep you updated on air and online. I'm Chief Meteorologist Frank Billingsley.